Welcome to a world where luxury meets adventure, aboard the illustrious fleet of Cunard cruises. At the heart of our exceptional guest experience lies the dedication and expertise of our laundry department. This is where precision meets passion, ensuring every fabric and texture is treated with the utmost care. We're now opening our doors wider, inviting both male and female talents to join our team. Whether you're a seasoned laundry expert or a skilled tailor, your craft is in demand. With positions available across all ranks, we offer immediate placements to those ready to embark on this journey with us. At Cunard, we celebrate diversity and inclusion, fostering an environment where everyone is welcome and every contribution is valued. Don't let this ship sail without you. Join us and be a part of something truly extraordinary. Apply today at www.cti-usa.com and set sail on a career that's as expansive as the ocean itself.